Hi, I'm Jonathan with Starfire Direct, and today I'm going to show you how to install a realfire G45 burner system. Although our installation videos are intended to help our customers, it's always recommended that you hire a professional. These are gas appliances and must only be installed by professionals with Fireplace-specific knowledge and experience. This installation video only applies to match-lit G45 and G4 burner systems set up for use with natural gas. If you're on propane gas, you cannot install a match-lit system and will require, at the very least, a safety pilot. For more information on this, click the link above. Start off by making sure your gas line is turned off. Open the chimney flue and attach the included damper clamp. Tighten the bolt with a wrench. The damper clamp ensures there is always ventilation for the gas log set. If your gas line has a cap on it, remove it and add gas-approved pipe joint compound to the threads. Although it's not necessary, I like to install an elbow fitting and point the elbow towards the back of the fireplace for a tighter, cleaner, more professional installation. This elbow isn't included with the burner, but can be purchased at your local hardware store if you choose to add one. Add more pipe joint compound to the male threads and add the adapter fitting to the elbow. Make sure all fittings are super tight. The G45 and G4 burner system come preset with the orifice inlet mounted on the right side of the burner. If your gas line is also on the right side, you're good to go. But if your gas line is on the left side of your fireplace, like this, you'll need to swap the orifice and cap on the burner. These are factory installed very tight, so you'll need to use some good old-fashioned elbow grease to remove. It can be done. Reapply some pipe joint compound, swap the cap and orifice to opposite sides, and tighten. Add more pipe joint compound to the orifice threads and attach the elbow fitting included with the connection kit. Tighten with the flared fitting pointing to the back. Set the burner system in the fireplace. Remove the label from the flex line and pre-shape it to correspond to where the fittings are, like this. Attach the flex line to the gas line first and tighten securely. Then attach the other end of the flex line to the burner and also tighten securely. This ensures the flex line doesn't get kinked or twisted. Never use pipe joint compound or yellow gas tape on flared compression fittings. Pour the silica sand onto the burner and make sure it's completely covered. If you have some sand left over, you can discard it. Next, break up the glowing embers and position over the sand. The better these are broken up, the better they will glow, making your gas log set look more realistic. We always recommend adding a bag of LF10 lava granules to your purchase. This helps trim out the burner, covering the exposed floor and connection fittings. Think of it like an elegant picture frame around your favorite picture. It enhances it and completes the look. Some burner systems include stabilizer clips that clamp around the grate and slide in over the burner to help secure it in place. Next, it's time to set your logs. Stack your logs how the included instructions suggest. Typically, you have a narrow tall log in the back, the main decorative log in the front, and a few stacked logs on top. Make sure these top logs are steady so they don't roll out on accident when hot. In this video, we're using the 24-inch charred American oak logs, which is one of my personal favorites. Now that your logs are installed, we can test the burner by using a long stick lighter and placing the flame over the burner area. With your other hand, slowly turn the gas key valve on until the burner lights. Once lit, you can control the flame height using the key valve to set the perfect mood. If this video was helpful, help our channel by firing up the like button and subscribing to get updates on all new videos. We also appreciate your questions and comments, so leave them below. You can also call our sales team and we'll be happy to guide you in the right direction. Thanks for watching.